the ingredients are in the food processor. And then we're gonna spin her up. So this is what it looks like after just a few seconds. I'm surprised at how fast it went. Really good. I'm curious to see what it's gonna do after cooking. And then you just spread it out on a baking sheet and bake at 375 for 30 minutes. I'm doing half on parchment paper to see what happens with that, a quarter on a sprayed with avocado oil pan, and a quarter with no oil. After 15 minutes, give everything a little stir. And the parchment paper is working out great. The side that I sprayed avocado spray is great, but the last corner without any spray, it's not terrible. It's definitely sticking more than anywhere else. And this is after another 15 minutes, so 30 minutes total. I like the texture and the consistency. It all looks good. The no oil, I mean, that wouldn't have been a disaster. A little bit of spray oil totally worked in the parchment. All right, so we got these corn tortillas that we warmed up. We're just gonna put in the taco meat. I made this corn and black bean, lime, and cilantro salsa. Some homemade guacamole. Add some pico de gallo.